Welcome to part 4 of the ring and box project. Today's episode will focus on assembling this and finishing it. So I've let these all dry for about 2, maybe 3 days, I'm not sure. So I've got this like grey wood veneer along here on the MDF, along with this beautiful veneered top. The 2 rings, I need to dust them off now because they're covered in dust from the veneer sanding. And then we've got the leather, which is, all nicely dry, and dry under here as well. So all we need to do is a big old lump of sanding on this. Clean down my mat, remove any sawdust. Right, lovely. Now we need the most important part in this stage, because we can't actually finish it without it. Hinges. I'm gonna go and get some super glue and put a dab on to help me. Okay, so the hinges are just drying up, so I'm gonna take the clamp off. Before they get stuck. So we're gonna attempt, I don't know whether I'm gonna regret this. To put some screws into the box. Oh, doesn't it look lovely? Nice black bit of whatever that wood is. It does make your efforts worth it when you get results like that. And along this grey bit here. In my opinion, that's a rather nice project. Okay, so there's one last stage to this process, which is a bit of leather polish. So I put a healthy amount on, and I'm just going to take most of it off, but polish in a bit of it. Brings out the colour of the leather.